The next chapter here, we're gonna pay attention to the panning of each track and the volume settings. It's always important to run through a checklist of each track to make sure that everything is there, ready, and all the levels are equal on each channel. I use the same example there. So as you can see, as we run through the channels, this is set to minus 3.2. This is set nicely to the 0 level. But here you can see the panning is set to minus 5. We will bring it back to 0 to make sure that all pannings on every track when we load up our first auto load is ready to go. So it's really important. So we're putting it back to 0. We're going back to each other track. Here you can see the panning for whatever kind of effect or loop is set to +9, probably because there was some setting going on through a panning. Once again, we will set this back to 0, and on each channel we will do a checklist to make sure every panning, every level of every volume parameter is set back to 0. Every start of a song to make sure that all levels are equal to each other. This is just short, something you have to keep in mind and to run through a checklist of that to make sure that every time you start a new song, whether it's electronic or whatever, that all your levels are set back to the origin format.